So today I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle on your SoFi bank account. So we're going to go and load up our app right over here in real time. As we're doing this, this is going to be through an iOS device, so an Android might look a little different. So here we are on the main screen of our SoFi account. And we're going to want to click over here where it says banking. You can also click banking up here at the top. But for our example today, we're going to click down here. You might actually see the new Zelle setting right over here, but after some time, this might go away. So we just want to make sure that we're showing you the traditional way to go to this setting. So you're going to see right over here on the main settings over here, you're going to see where it says Zelle. And the first thing it's going to have you do is just go over some information when it comes to utilizing Zelle. If you've used it before, it's pretty much all the same information. So we can click on acknowledge and continue. Now from here, it's going to take you to this new page where you can go ahead and click on get started. So from this page right over here, you're going to see a couple different options. It is showing us that we have the choice of going with our phone number or our email address that we have attached to our SoFi account. So if either one of these are not ones that you want to utilize or is already being utilized for another Zelle account, you might want to go into your settings and have those changed so they pop up over here in real time because there's nowhere else to be able to add them. So choose whichever option works better for you. So either a phone number or email address for you. And then underneath here, it's going to show you which account it's going to go into. It's already pre-populated with our checking account. So if everything looks good here, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. If we need to go back and change, you can click back to SoFi account. So for our example here, we're going to click on continue. So if you're somebody like myself that already has one of their phone numbers or email addresses attached to another financial institution for using Zelle, it is going to ask you if you'd like to transfer that account. Now, if you don't already have one that's connected, it will just go ahead and email you or text you a code to verify that information. So what we're going to do for our example here is we're going to click on transfer because we're going to want to click this over to our new SoFi account. And from here, it is going to send us an email. We're just going to put it in the 6-digit code, and then we're going to click on verify. And now our email is attached to this SoFi account with Zelle. And then if we wanted to, we can go ahead and continue on if we wanted to go ahead and add in our phone number as well. If you don't want to do that, there is going to be a no thanks. I can confirm this later. And once you have clicked that button, you're going to see your now send, request, and your split, as well as changing up any of the settings that you might need to in the future. Now, if you would like to keep on learning when it comes to utilizing SoFi, check out our next video right over here on screen.